Cargo lashing is a crucial aspect of maritime operations, ensuring that cargo remains secure during transit across unpredictable seas. When a ship encounters rough waters, the forces acting on the cargo can be immense. Without proper lashing, heavy containers can shift, leading to potential accidents, damage, or even capsizing. The primary goal of lashing is to prevent this movement, keeping everything in place and maintaining the ship's balance. There are several types of cargo lashing methods, each designed for specific cargo types and sizes. For instance, chain lashing is typically used for heavy equipment and rolling cargo, providing the strength needed to hold these massive items securely. Wire lashing offers flexibility and is often employed for irregularly shaped cargo, while webbing or strap lashing is lightweight and adjustable, making it ideal for lighter loads. Additionally, turnbuckles and rods are essential for tightening fixed lashings, and twist locks and D-rings are standard for securing containers on deck. Understanding these methods is key to ensuring that cargo is properly secured. Proper lashing follows several fundamental principles. First, a strong base is essential. Cargo must be placed on a stable surface to prevent tipping. Friction plays a significant role as well. More friction means less chance of shifting during transit. It's also vital to ensure that lashings are tight and balanced. Uneven lashing can lead to instability. Finally, the angle and direction of the lashings should always consider the ship's motion, as this can significantly affect how forces are distributed across the cargo. Every ship adheres to specific lashing guidelines outlined in the Cargo Securing Manual, or CSM. This manual serves as a comprehensive guide, detailing load limits, approved equipment, the number of lashings required per container, and crew responsibilities. It's an essential resource that ensures safety and compliance with maritime regulations. When it comes to lashing equipment, a variety of tools are utilized. Lashing rods, twist locks, turnbuckles, D-rings, lashing plates, hooks, and chains are all selected based on the type of cargo, weather conditions, and the duration of the voyage. Each tool has its purpose, and using the right equipment is vital for effective cargo securing. In summary, cargo lashing is the backbone of safe maritime transport. It protects not only the cargo, but also the crew and the vessel itself. Understanding the types, principles, and equipment involved in lashing is essential for anyone involved in shipping and logistics.